Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank network or connection errors. First, make sure your internet is working. Try opening another website to test it. After that, switch between Wi Fi and mobile data if needed. This often fixes connection problems. Then restart the device, then open the app again. If you use a VPN, then turn it off. VPN can block banking apps. After that, go to your app store, search for Deutsche Bank app, and then update the app. If the problem continues, the bank servers may be temporarily down. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app error, and that's it. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.